Hello and welcome to your IELTS review video. In episode 13 today, we're talking about gifts. So let's get started. Now, when you're talking about gifts, you're talking about your birthdays, Christmas, holidays in general. Now, a question that you could be asked when this topic arises in your IELTS speaking exam would be, what kind of gifts are popular in your country? You could say, in my country, common gifts include items such as chocolates, flowers, and small tokens of appreciation. Now, you could say, in a more advanced answer, gift giving in my country often revolves around such items as traditional handcrafts, personalized souvenirs, and then sometimes even cultural artifacts. Now, what's the best or most memorable gift you've ever received? Now, this is a personal question, so I suggest you think about it now and have it ready for when the question is asked, and you can draw upon your own experiences. As with all IELTS questions, drawing upon your personal experience gives your answers more credibility and they feel more genuine, and that in itself raises your IELTS score. The best gift I received was a heartfelt letter from my friend on my birthday. Or, one of the most memorable gifts I've ever received was a hand-painted portrait of my family, capturing a precious moment from a significant event. What do you give others as gifts? I usually give practical gifts, like books or small gadgets. Or you could say, when selecting gifts for others, I aim to offer thoughtful presents such as personalized items or experiences that resonate with their interests. Now, do you like to give expensive gifts? I prefer giving meaningful gifts rather than focusing on the cost. While I believe in the value of thoughtful gifts, I don't necessarily equate expensive gifts with their significance. Or, how often do you buy gifts for other people? I buy gifts for others on special occasions like birthdays and holidays. Or, I find joy in surprising friends and family with gifts on various occasions, which could be several times throughout the year. Why do people give gifts? People give gifts to express their appreciation and show affection. Intermediate level answer could be gift giving as a way to communicate emotions, celebrate milestones, and strengthen personal bonds. Have you ever received a gift which you didn't like? Yes, I received a scarf that wasn't really my style. Or, indeed, there was a time where I received a gift that didn't quite match my preferences, but I still appreciate the thought behind it. Okay, so those are your IELTS questions and sample answers. Next, we go on to the reading passage. This is, as always, to enhance your knowledge about the topic and provide some insight into possible answers that you could create if your personal experiences aren't enough. So, as always, I'm going to look slightly to the left, your right, and read along with me. Let's go. In many cultures, gifts carry deep symbolic meanings. For example, in some Asian cultures, the act of presenting gifts is seen as a way to honor a relationship and show gratitude. The value of the gift is often less important than the thoughtfulness and intention behind it. Various cultures have specific occasions and celebrations that call for gift giving. For example, during the festival of Eid in the Middle East, it's customary to exchange gifts as a way to celebrate the ending of Ramadan. The Chinese New Year is marked by the exchange of red envelopes containing money, symbolizing good luck and prosperity. In contrast, in Western cultures, gifts are typically opened immediately in the presence of the giver. Understanding gift etiquette is crucial when navigating different cultures. In some countries, such as Japan, the act of receiving a gift is often accompanied by a sense of humility and reluctance. The type of gifts given can vary, widely based on cultural norms. In Scandinavian countries, minimalistic and practical gifts are preferred, reflecting the region's focus on simplicity and functionality. In South American cultures, Gifts with vibrant colors and intricate designs are cherished, mirroring the rich artistic heritage of the region. In today's interconnected world, cultural boundaries are becoming more fluid, leading to a blend of traditions and gift-giving. Globalization has also led to the adoption of certain gift-giving practices from one culture to another. For example, the popularity of Valentine's Day has spread to various parts of the world, even in countries where it was not traditionally celebrated. Gift-giving reflects cultural diversity and values. The act of giving and receiving gifts connects individuals across cultures and plays a significant role in building and nurturing relationships. Right, so that's the reading passage. We get straight onto the vocabulary and expressions. Gift giving, symbolic meaning, cultural norms, occasions and celebrations, value of the gift, thoughtfulness and intention, customary practices, etiquette and manners, humility and gratitude, gift choices and preferences, practical and functional gifts, aesthetic appeal, cultural diversity, globalization and cross-cultural influence, gestures of goodwill, social bonding, sentimental value, appreciation and reciprocation, token of friendship, cultural heritage, exchange of traditions, universal practice, interpersonal connections, nurturing relationships, meaningful and significant, expressing emotions, cultural values, gift etiquette, cross-cultural awareness, traditional handicrafts. And finally, we're on to the paraphrasing exercises. Now, by practicing, you are enhancing your English. So I give you a simple example, a paraphrased answer. We have three sections: questions, statements, and descriptions. A simple question is, what kind of gifts are popular in your country? What type of presents are well liked in your nation? Have you ever received a gift which you didn't like? Instead, you could say, have you experienced getting a gift that didn't meet your preferences? Why do people give gifts? What's the reason behind individuals presenting gifts? Paraphrasing statements. In some cultures, the value of the gift is less important than the thoughtfulness behind it. In certain societies, the significance of the gift's value is overshadowed by the intention behind it. Gift giving is a practice observed worldwide, reflecting shared human emotion. The act of presenting gifts is a global phenomenon that mirrors universal human sentiment. And finally, the paraphrasing descriptions. I wish you good luck. Thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.